Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best manicure sets PI that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Familife Manicure Set Nail Clippers Set Professional Manicure Kit. When functionality and durability are at the top of your priority list, this high-quality manicure set from Familife is worth your consideration. Made of heavy-duty stainless steel, this kit is a great choice for both at-home and salon use. Moreover, this very material provides perfect sharpness of scissors, clippers, and nippers even after years of use. By the way, this set includes 11 tools: a fingernail clipper, a toenail clipper, a cuticle nipper, an ingrown toenail clipper, a cuticle trimmer, a cuticle and nail polish pusher, tweezers, scissors, a nail file, an ear pick, and a V-shaped cuticle trimmer. The application of most of these tools should be clear from their names alone. But if you haven't used a manicure set before, worry not. Although the Familife manicure kit is made of stainless steel, that is rust resistant, you still want to store all the tools appropriately in order to prolong their service life. Every time you finish using them, put them back in a case and cover with an interior connected flap that will protect them from scratches. Keep the case in a dry place. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Tseoa XMS 142812 PCs Manicure Pedicure Kit. This manicure kit from Tseoa will become a perfect choice for those who need an affordable set that can be used not only to take care of your fingers and toes, but also be helpful in acne treatment. Consisting of 12 pieces, it has all the tools necessary to cut and shape your nails, remove dead skin around them, and handle old cuticles. And with a blackhead needle and loop remover, you can take care of your facial skin with the maximum amount of convenience. Moreover, the manufacturer has included tweezers in a set so that you could shape your eyebrows effortlessly. Just like any good manicure set, the Tseoa model comes in a case equipped with straps that hold every tool in its place, and a special strap with a snap closure for cuticle nipper. As for the case itself, it also has a snap closure that allows you to open/close it with one touch. The case and all the tools are quite compact and lightweight, so the Tseoa manicure kit is a great choice to use at home as well as on the go. At number 3, we have the Beauty Bond 10 PCs Stainless Steel Hygiene Kit. Nail nipper, toenail clipper, and scissors, just the tools you need to cut your nails. Thanks to different tools included, you can choose the one to carry out this procedure with maximum convenience. Nail cleaner allows you to remove dirt under your nails where a lot of bacterium tends to accumulate. There's probably no need to explain what cuticle remover, nipper, and scissors are for. Just use them in the right order to make your cuticles look neat. Splinter tweezers can help you shape your eyebrows as well as remove hangnails in an instant. With such a great number of high-quality stainless steel tools, taking care of your nails, fingers, and toes will prove to be the easiest thing ever. Moreover, the Beauty Bond manicure kit can be used wherever you need it, at home, in a salon, on vacation, etc. Mostly because it has a travel case perfect for both storing and transportation of the tools. At number 2, we have the Mifine 16 PCs Men's Manicure Set. Although the Mifine company sells this kit as a manicure set for men, it will definitely be a useful purchase for women too. Including different tools, it is suitable for making manicure, pedicure, shaping eyebrows, and even acne treatment. Most tools included in this set are standard and don't differ from other sets. Yet, we'd like to point out several tools that caught our attention. The manufacturer has included several knives in the box: a cuticle knife, a straight pedicure knife, a diagonal pedicure knife, a scrapping knife, and a peeling knife that greatly add to the functionality of the set. One more distinctive feature of the Mifine manicure set is definitely its design. Although every tool is made of stainless steel, they have a black finish that not only adds to the durability, but also makes them look stylish. By the way, this very finish provides a non-slip grip, so it's also convenient for you to handle even the tiniest tool from the set. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aiwogep 16 pieces manicure set. Suitable for home and professional use, the Aiwogep 16 pieces manicure set has all the tools necessary for keeping your nails and toes gorgeous and trimmed. The set includes nail clippers, a cuticle nipper, a nail filer, a skin fork, a tweezer, scissors, a nail cleaning knife, an ear pick, an acne tool, as well as 3 callus removers, all made from high-quality stainless steel boasting extra strength and durability. So basically, this one thing has everything you'd want to see in a manicure set. All of the tools from the set are well crafted and have a luxurious feel to them. And it is obvious they can last for many years if taken care of properly. Plus, the box contains a gorgeous PU leather case to keep all of the pieces neatly in place. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.